Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming to you with another how-to. This is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and we will be showing you how to take the radio out. First thing you want to do is come over here to this side panel. So we want to take the side panel. It's only held in by clips, and we want to open it up just like that. There will be a Phillips head screwdriver. It will be a Phillips head screw right here. We want to take that out. I've already taken that out, and then you want to come in with your panel removal tool on the top of this edge and start taking out this silver trim. Is held all by clips, and that's going to give you, it's going to actually release that Phillip, and there's another Phillip over there. But before we can actually take those, we can take them out right now, but in order to get this out, we got to go to the driver's side. Now that we're on the driver's side, we want to do the exact same thing. Come over here and take that panel off. We want to take out that Phillip, and we want to take the silver trim out over here on this side. Now, what we want to do is come up here where the this little thing over the instrument cluster is, and I just put my hand back here and started popping like that, and you want to bring that up. So it will look something like this. We can remove all that, and as you can see, we got these little ridges that is on the dash part right here. That is behind this, so that's why we have to pull that up. Now we can go in and take out these two Phillips. The panel removal tool will be your lifesaver to get this part out. These clips are held in kind of tight, and the dash, this dash is actually pretty forgiving. I actually went up on the top, which I don't like to do because you don't want to dent the dash up, and it gave an indentation, but it also smoothed back out. Please try to refrain from doing that part, but once you get that out, all that's held in by clips. Now look at us. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips, and guess what? We'll have that radio. Alright, so that's about it. Took those 4 Phillips out, and we have the radio. Now I'm going to go ahead and wire this Kenwood that we're putting in up. Go ahead and get the steering wheel controls done. If you guys want to know how to wire up a radio, hit the link in the card. There will also be a link for how to do steering wheel controls. I've already done a video on that as well. The reason I don't go over all that type of stuff in each and every video is because the same rules apply, and each car is going to be different, so it's going to be different wires and all that type of stuff. But as long as you know the basics, you should be able to do everything. Also, the links will be in the description. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and let y'all see what it looks like when it gets done. Alright guys, that's about it. That's what it looks like when it's all done. Right now I'm just testing out the steering wheel controls, make sure all that stuff is good. But we got some good clearance for taking the CD out and everything. Now, one thing that I will say, if you guys are going to do a screen, I would rather you do a 7-inch screen that's going to be fixed and not motorized, or even a 6.8 or 6.2 inch screen, because it will make it look 10 times more flush. With this motorized screen, how it mounts, in order for this to actually come out, like to put the CD in, it has to come out like that. What's that, about almost 1/4 of an inch. So you can still see the little gap at the top. Now in the behind the radio is actually flush. Yeah, so you can see where if you were doing like a 6.2 or 6.8 inch screen, this will be flush with the radio. It will look a lot cleaner. But since we have the 7-inch screen and it's motorized, it has to stick out that 1/4 of an inch. I personally do not like it, but this is a pretty nice radio. This is the Kenwood, I want to say it's the DDX 9705S. It does have Apple CarPlay, all that good stuff, Android Auto. It's a pretty good radio. But anyway, if you guys found any value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, hit the notifications if this is your first time being here so you don't miss out on any more content. All the links will be in the description. Don't forget to hit those cards so you can know how to do this thing yourself. And I will see you guys at the next car. Peace.